So today's tech term is guardrails, and you will usually see this word under AI security. So this is a job description on LinkedIn, and as you can see, this is for an AI security engineer. One of the requirements is define and implement security guardrails for secure interaction with enterprise data sources. And again, if you see the subheading, it's governance, standards, and responsible AI enablement, and establish AI security standards, engineering guardrails, and governance practices aligned with the regulatory requirements, enterprise risk expectations, and responsible AI principles. So guardrails is a step towards responsible and secure AI. So this is a IBM article. So AI guardrails are safeguards that keep AI systems operating safely, responsibly, and within defined boundaries. Think of AI guardrails like a barrier along a highway. So they don't slow down the car, but they do help keep it from veering off course. And guardrails help ensure that AI applications such as chatbots, AI agents, deliver trustworthy outputs while protecting against vulnerabilities such as harmful content or sensitive data exposure. So why are AI guardrails important? Without these safeguards, AI models and chatbots can be easily manipulated, and an LLM can expose personally identifiable information, contribute to spread of misinformation, or leak sensitive data. Also, when we think of AI agents, like if there are no guardrails, a poorly governed AI agent could expose confidential information, treat customers unfairly, make a flawed hiring recommendation, delete vital company data, trigger an unauthorized payment, or cause chaos in a business process that no one else is monitoring close enough. So currently in the market, many companies are offering softwares which help you implement guardrails in your projects. So four of these are, like, the first one is weights and biases guardrails. The second is Llama Guard. The third is by NVIDIA, it's called Nemo Guardrails. And the fourth is OpenAI's moderation API. And there is also a fifth one, it's called Guardrails AI, which is also quite famous. And again, the taglines that you will usually associate with guardrails is like AI reliability and governing. Now, just a short discussion on how these guardrails are actually implemented in your projects. So like this is the NVIDIA Nemo Guardrails project, and you can download this and install it. And after installing, you will see that there is a folder structure created on your computer, and under that you'll find a config.yaml file. So for example, you can see this piece of code where these are input rails, like guardrails, and these are invoked when new input from the user is received. So it checks for jailbreak and it masks sensitive data on input. So now what is jailbreak? A jailbreak is a method where hackers use tricky, deceptive prompts to bypass an AI's built-in safety rules. And also there is the second piece of code where the guardrails are put on the output. So output rails are triggered after a bot message has been generated. So basically it's when ChatGPT generates a response back. So before giving output back to the user, it self-checks facts, it self-checks hallucinations. And the third one is active fence moderation on input. So what this means is that it uses contextual AI to score risks like hate speech and jailbreaking, blocking malicious prompts before they reach the model. So in summary, AI guardrails act as necessary security and governance checks designed to prevent large language models from executing malicious or unintended instructions. So this was a short intro to AI guardrails.